the little arguments that bring us closer. Every family argues sometimes. Maybe it's about whose turn it is to wash dishes, or what movie to watch, or why someone came home late. These small conflicts are completely normal. In fact, they can even be healthy. What's interesting is why we argue with family more than with strangers or friends. It's because we feel safe enough to show our true feelings at home. With cashiers or classmates, we might stay polite even when upset. But with family, we know the love is strong enough to handle some honest emotions. The secret isn't avoiding arguments completely, but learning how to handle them better. Instead of shouting, "You never listen," try saying, "I feel hurt when you look at your phone while I'm talking." This small change in words makes a big difference. Most family fights aren't really about dirty dishes or loud music. They're about wanting to feel heard and valued. Next time your family has a disagreement, try to see it differently. These moments aren't just problems, they're opportunities to understand each other better. After all, a family that never argues might just be a family that isn't communicating honestly.